It's a tough time economically at the moment, which means that the opportunities for European foundations are as they've never been in the past, really. And it seems to me that European foundations have several really key attributes at the moment. The first of them, of course, is their assets. But secondly, it's their independence, their ability to be fleet of foot, and their ability to really make a difference. And I think the opportunity for foundations is to act effectively in partnership. But what foundations are not is a substitute for governments. And that's, I think, really important at this time. And I think foundations have to stand for excellence. And there are several areas in which foundations can make an enormous difference. So one of them, obviously, is poverty in the broadest sense, in terms of economic development. There are things that they can do: political development, social development. In the case of the Wellcome Trust, which is a charity whose vision is to achieve extraordinary improvements in human health, it's about actually research, supporting the brightest minds, people who can really contribute to health through research. European foundations are working on a global scale. We are in a globalized society now. And so we have to work in partnerships around the world as well. So examples of that from the medical research perspective are around partnerships for malaria, for example, the Medicines for Malaria venture, which is a public-private partnership that we support, around the opportunities to take the human genome to the clinic. So the opportunities for foundation are almost endless, but what we must really make sure of is that we use our independence, we use the intellectual backing that we have, very strong governance, very strong brand. These are all things that are very important for foundations. And this is a time where we're going to have to make tough choices, but we can really make a difference.